Welcome back, everyone. Today we'll be talking about HTML heading tag, the paragraph tag, and the center tag. So first, what's the heading tag? The heading tag is used to give a heading to a web page. Let's say I want to give my the web page like something like about myself, the name of my school and something like that. So it is represented with H, and it has six types: H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, and H6. So it is ranging from the most important heading to the least important heading. Let's say I want to put my about myself. Since that is the most important heading, I can just give it a H1. So let's say about my school. So since that's like something like a subtopic, can with H2 and then on. So H1 to H6 is ranging from the most important to the least important. Then the paragraph tag. So now the paragraph tag is used to give a sentence or paragraph, and it is denoted with P. It is used mostly when you're writing something like a long word and you just put a paragraph tag in it. Then the center tag. So the center tag is just used to give us text a center, and so on and so forth. So now let's dive into the code. HTML5. Then I'm going to change the title dev hub. Then I'll start with my um, h1 tag, h1. Then h1 will be about myself with paragraph in it. H2 about my school. So put a paragraph in it. Then h3 about then h3 about my family members. Then the paragraph there. H for nuclear family. Put the paragraph type there. H5 extended family. And then I'm going to put a paragraph there. So now, then I'm going to put an H6. That'll be about my mentor. So as you can see, this is just ranging from the biggest from the most important heading to the least important heading. So now let me start something. The paragraph, that'll be lorem 12. Lorem 12. So as you can see, that's it. So now let's view it on our live server. With live server, so as you can see, it's ranging from the biggest to the smallest, about my school, about my family members, nuclear extended, and about my mentor. So then I'm going to use a center tag to put this about myself to the center, since everything I'm saying is about myself. Center tag. I'll cut it, put that at the end of it, and now you can see, so this about myself is already at the center. So as you thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Bye.